Thinky Blobs is an extension for Aseprite that the best way I can describe this is have you ever looked up at the clouds and seen things? You see the shapes and you go, man, that looks like something. That's what Thinky Blobs is about. So Thinky Blobs makes these random blob shapes on the canvas, and then it lets you use your imagination and your creativity to pixel in and make what you think you saw out of those shapes. What the tool does is it picks a bunch of random points on the canvas, connects them up with a line, and then fills it in to make this blob-like shape. It does this randomly, and you never know what you're going to get. And that's sort of the fun thing, is just a neat challenge to try and draw something. It's got all sorts of custom settings. You can even share the settings between friends or people that are watching. It's Thinky Blobs. Let's get inspired. Oh god, it's terrible. Anyways, Thinky Blobs, pick it up over on itch.io. Inspired. Oh my goodness. What even? What was I even inking? Ugh. Terrible, man. Just so terrible. Oh, geez.